ene yebekasa fa futures trading ho. Yebehwe se ede any futures trading. Any kwan befa so aye futures trading or Binance. So you'll be a winning there efa futures trading ho and I say be a forex trading ho. Na wouldn't kwan befa so a place trade or Binance and I say any other exchanges be na we use na. Sa video we no ehun hia so behwe essence we no beginner mode ye behwe kwan a obefa so a trade futures or Binance. Enti say ebia wo hia about technical analysis, fundamental analysis ni de keka ho na I just so share your next videos na ye de beban because we know the is purposely for beginners. Ye share say any futures trading any kwan obefa so aye futures trading. Say ka say futures trading a the trading and say over predictable be cryptocurrency be is likely to go in the future. Say ebia you find say cryptocurrency be to say Dogecoin na o predict say ebekɔ soro anase ebeba fam enti say spot trading na obeto currency bi na watwen say ne bo no beko soro na wanya mfa so no. With futures trading obetima predict say currency bi bo beba fam say ampa say eba fam a obenya mfa so sanso no obetima predict say ebekɔ soro say ekɔ soro nso ademo ekɔ soro no na wonya mfa so. The same way so obetima predict say ebekɔ soro say eba fam a no sika so 80 sanso na obetima aye no the other way round. And say ka say futures trading na dia ekire nyina eno no. Now with futures trading no obetima anya sika pa afin within some few seconds. So na obetima so lose u entire sika nyina within just 1 minute pe. Obetima aton ofie ni o cars ni obi bia dia trading na usika no nyina ahye within 1 minute. But so uwenim de dia yewo niema bebre ye ko ye nim no ye besua about risk management any de keka ho. Enti after that video we no men expect you say just go ahead and trade essence oni kwan ye fast to place trading tino onya fa phone na wakọ Binance na u trade futures da bi kakra enti say unni nim de bia say de American kan no nya abotwe na ye nsua endru anim ansana wa start futures trading. Enti sesi aba membie Binance na ehwe kwan befa so aye futures trading no step by step. Say ene o first time a o te Binance and say o TBB afa Binance one yedi kan videos bebre ahwe kwan befa so create Binance account any niema bebre a obetima aye o Binance no yedi kan sua ho asem enti say uninim there about Binance a obetima share old videos no ebe more knowledge about Binance. Enti say me bie me Binance no a we say ohwe ase ha ya twa futures ewa ha enti ubebo futures no so me bo futures no so a we say ebe bie sei ohwe esro ha ya twa ha USD-SM. Okay ena wo coin M so yo ha your options and a smart money. But say ohwe USD-SM na ni nyina futures trading ni bia na dia ni say with the stable coin and be trade say the first one na which is USD-SM na you can say stable coin na it is say bia you find say Ghana ha your cashew cocoa any other cash crops na your Ghana ha no. But so person to I want say cedis na the better enye cedi a with the dollar what you say about no cryptocurrency mo USDT any USDC no and also I to say cedis any dollars no what you say and I say oko coin M no so the chance say all the cryptocurrency foforo and be trade and find say wo cashew na wo the trade age cocoa and I say wo cocoa wo the trade age gold sa name okay enti coin M no asichere eno no and option trading ni there and also a different concept and also be can ho asem later e was a channel we so enti ye woni ma bebia ye besua e wo ha. So oba next one obo say your BTC USD wo ha eno no currency kura obe trade and as first one na edi anim no na currency na obe predict say ebe kosoro anase ebe ba fam no. And second one no so na currency kro na odi be trade no de odi be prediction no. Okay. Enti se mebo area ewo ha ya. Mebo so obon say ebe BC we mu nyina currency pairs a obetimi a trade. So any my dear currency pairs ya edika esua ho asem kama na esua about spot trading no, which is currency me no idea boom na we the back no bo compare back no. Okay, and we do the same thing. We won't say currencies me no idea boom. Ebia uhu Doja we won't say USDT eka ho. You see no yan fan say per se trade Doja. Mehwehwe Doge ewo ha no anase metima search ewo soro ha. Enti ohwe ha Doge no ewo ha no. Na mabo Doge no so. Afi osanso hwe ha so a ya tire isolated ewo ha. Isolated no de eche nyina ne say yan fan say sesi a uwo sika ewo features wallet na opese odi trade a make sure kwa odi sika no beba o features wallet no. Ti fan say sesi ewo sika ewo features wallet na opese o trade a ebi opese odi uwo sika be $10 na opese odi $5 e trade a. The moment I obe enter trade no you find say o predict say ebe kosoro na I start ebe from ti ubo say $5 na we di real trade na eso 80 say either isolated na $5 no eso ti na ni nyina asa ubo say eno ano no ye be yiwa free trade no na che say sika na di trade here no asa. Okay, but say we free isolated na say o de to crosser na just say $5 na udi real trade no no say esa dia eno so da ho a another $5 na da ho na won fan real trade no no almost start anything free eno so eso what you say enti say eda cross na just say scanner udi akọ into position no say scanner sa omon fa de eda nchen na won fan ka ho no omon fa eno so nka ho na omon fan trade what you say enti for me no most of the times no ya na either isolated and I feel say o share 25 ways so your friend will leverage you know it say boosting a Binance for the bema na wo dia increase you sika say the be obetima trade kese so what you say and say bia wo sika be say $10 na person di trade a e be person trade with $100 unit a obetimi abe multiply sa $10 na owo no ewo ha enti ye find say bia opese u trade with $100 but usika $10 a o leverage no what the $10 no be multiply ye find say 10 because 10 times 10 ebe my 100 enti me bo 10 ehye ha na say me bo dana confirm na just say sika bia na odi be trade no say $5 a omo bebo ho times 10 say $10 nso a Binance for bebo ho times 10 e dia mo na odi a trade so what you say enti ye ka say leverage a eno no and I feel uhu buy and sell or ha say obo buy no so a o predict say Doge no ebetima akosoro what you say Doge no ne bo no be kosoro sanso na say obo sell no so a o predict say Doge no ne bo no ebeba fam and I feel so o hwe ase ha obehu limit order e wa ha na market price say the issue on spot trading no limit order no che say e bia o twen say kwan no bedru baabi ansa na ato aso akosoro ana say bedru baabi na atia ba fam enti no eno so limit order no and I feel your market order na je say see current price na ewo nche ha ya no odwen say bia ebe kosoro a onya abo buy na je say see no predict say ebe kosoro until you be in position what you say and I feel so ohwe ase ha ya tire initial margin ewo ha say the initial margin no a de kire sika dodo opese odi trade no obebo say sika no ahye ha no ebi opese odi $10 in a trade a obebo $10 $20 $30 sika bi opese odi trade bi a robetimi abo ahye ha but we will be so ana and that initial margin na we share baby a USDT we when obo so say a we share say we say your other size and a initial margin say that other size no so enso a sika obebo ahye ha no we dey multiply leverage no na wa bo ahye ha what you say enti yem fan say sika wo no $10 yem fan say sisia wo $10 and o person dey trade ya we dey say 10 obe multiply say $10 no by o leverage na wo so ha no okay enti yem fan say your person dey $10 in a trade ya yem bo $10 no enhye ha you be multiply say $10 no by leverage which is 10 times 10 na am I 100 me bo $100 no ahye ha no me bo hye ho na se oba se wo se ya tre 10 no ahye 10.14 enti na je se o de 10.14 ene be trade but se enti sanso na o hwe na multiplication no se o multiply when e be confuse you just bo USDT we so na fa to initial margin ne de ska dodo na opese o di trade no obo hye ho a Binance wa be calculation na amount o ma be calculate o leverage no amount enti eno no e na open so a obetimi use sa line we e wo he e di a kire percentage of usika na opese o di trade no e bia usika wo e wo futures trading no $10 na so opese o use 20% a eno an so obetwin we no line we they are about 20% and as a 10% the percent of sika or person the trade you know obet me at scan at home and I feel so say ohwe ase ha we say ya trade TP/SL ewo ho bi o ha obeba na NTK nti unhu but obo TP/SL no so a e be bi say now TP/SL no dey change na say find say what predict say see a Doge in the current price na 0.9108 no what predict say betimi akosoro but wo limiter say ekosoro no eduru a mfaso bi obenya no wo be fan sa na wa free marketing okay nti fan say ye hwe say Doge no be kosoro aduru ebia 0.09200 okay nti say Doge no timi baby our current price no one say Doge no etimi fro ekosoro akodu 0.09200 a mfaso bi a yebenya no wo hwe ha obon say ya trade 0.28 nti ska na me di trading nti na ohu 0.28 no amount of ska the be trading na be kire profit a obenya say etimi duru ho a
commercial break so say still will be right back
na say hwe ase ha so a bon say your stop loss ewa ha stop loss no dey change na say bia o predict say ebe kosoro na start say ebe form a ebe form a wo level bi a ogidi say ebe form bedru a enya de betima kosoro bio enti say ebe form bedru sa level na ka bi a wabo no wo be fa ne sa na wa free market no enti ye fa say the stop loss no at 0.09100 na just say CI no ye predict say e bo buy a em fa say ye predict say e be cost nti e da buy ti say CI no the moment amenya bo buy no dey pa change na say currency na me predict say e be cost no e start say e ba forma which is e ba forma me lose sika but say e ba forma be drew 0.09100 a omonyi be free market no ka bi amabo bia me fa ni sa na ma free market no sanso na TP no so HSS position na makọ no e start say e kosoro a na say drew 0.9200 a mfaso bi amanya no me fa ni sa na ma free market no so what I say enti stop loss and take profit no no nature say no and after so say o hwe esoro ha obo say ye wo button bi o e wo ha no I say candle say no okay o boss say ha say na bebie we be hu say ye wo nneɛma bi hu ayɛ sɛ graph bi ɛnenam iwe no yɛfrɛ no chart. Okay, ayɛ sɛ graph na ɛprint information about sɛdeɛ price no ɛyɛyɛ mmerɛ bi a atwam. So what I say nti saa candlesticks wei nyinaa yɛwɔ kwan yɛfrɛ no candlesticks. Nti candlesticks wei nyinaa yɛwɔ kwan yɛfa so ɛredi. In our next video no yɛbɛhwɛ kwan yɛbɛfa so aredi candlesticks no ɛne kwan yɛbɛfa so ate information na ɛma no ase. So no sɛ wohwɛ arrow mmienu yi a ɛwɔ ase ha yi a ɛyɛ kwan yɛbɛfa so a transfer sika. Sɛ ebia wonni sika ɛwɔ futures wallet a woba futures ha wobɔ sɛ yɛwɔ arrow bi wɔ ha baako ɛhwɛ left na baako hwɛ right. Wobɔ saa arrow no so a ɛbɛbie sei na kyerɛ sɛ wobɛ transfer sika aba o futures wallet. Wate ase nti baabi koro no a wowɔ sika ɛwɔ no ebia sika no ɛwɔ founding ma di kan ka ho asɛm sɛ ɛno na wodi kan yɛ deposit a osika baabi osika no ɛbɛtɔ no. Nti ebia wowɔ sika wɔ founding a ɛno asɛ wobɛba bɛbɔ founding. Me sisi a mini sika wɔ me founding, but baabi a sika no wɔ no wallet koro na sika no wɔ mu no ebia founding and access spot wallet no wobɛtumi atwisu yɛmfa sɛ spot wallet na afei yɛ transfer aba USD SMT ɛno deɛ yɛmfa yɛnsa nka no. ɛna afei coin koro na wopɛ sɛ otwisu ebia USDT anaasɛ USDC a na watwisu wia no abɔ amount no ahyɛ ha yɛmfa sɛ ebia max na sɛ sika me wɔ ɛwɔ me spot wallet ni nyinaa. Ti sɛ me bɔ confirm a ɛbɛ transfer sika no abɛgu me futures wallet direct na me dia trade. Ma di kan ayɛ video na wabra me place trade no. Enti no me wie saa video we a me dia no so bɛtoa so. Okay, me wie we na me dia no so bɛtoa so nti ɛno deɛ memfa voice ndi akyi nso wohwɛ sɛ deɛ meyɛ ne na wa wobɛhu sɛ deɛ bibia ɛte.